Struggling to grow your business? A strong logo, think of the golden arches of McDonald's. Instantly recognizable, right? That's the power of a strong logo. It sets the tone for your brand and makes a lasting impression. Professional website. Imagine visiting Apple's website. Clean, user-friendly, and professional. It not only provides information, but also converts visitors into customers through an intuitive design and seamless user experience. SEO. Let's say you search for best coffee shops in New York on Google, and Starbucks pops up at the top. That's SEO at work, ensuring Starbucks is seen by coffee lovers searching for their next caffeine fix. Instagram content. Look at how Nike's Instagram consistently posts engaging content. Stories, reels, and posts that build trust and keep their audience engaged. Consistency is key to maintaining a strong presence and relationship with your followers. Lead generation. A company like HubSpot uses lead magnets, such as free ebooks and webinars, to capture potential clients. They provide valuable content in exchange for contact details, turning interest into actionable leads. Want to level up? Connect with 6tech Media today. Just like these successful brands, 6tech Media can help you build a strong digital presence. Get in touch and see how we can transform your business.